Are you looking to make money online through online tutoring? Here are the steps you need to follow to get started. Step 1. Choose a subject you are passionate and knowledgeable about. This will help you build your credibility and attract more students. Step 2. Decide on the age group and level of students you want to tutor. This will help you tailor your teaching style and content to their needs. Step 3. Choose a platform to offer your services, such as Chegg, TutorMe, or VIP Kid. Step 4. Create a professional profile and highlight your qualifications and experience. Step 5. Set your rates and create lesson plans that are engaging and effective. Now, here are some tips to help you succeed. Tip 1. Be flexible and adaptable to different learning styles and needs of your students. Tip 2. Stay up to date with the latest teaching tools and techniques. Tip 3. Leverage social media and online communities to promote your services and build your brand. With dedication and hard work, online tutoring can be a profitable and fulfilling way to make money online.